Better Care is working in Calderdale and Kirklees as one of 3 pilot areas. Better Care aims to harness the power of good food to improve the health, well-being of older people, and also to look at how good food can reduce loneliness.
As part of Better Care, we've been linking the young and old together. It's called intergenerational linking. We're bringing schools and care homes together.
So initially we came to visit Linson Court care home, highlighting who Food for Life were and that they had the Field Lane School nearby. The conversation with Beth, the manager, quickly moved on to her love of hens, which is part of the Better Care's therapeutic food activities. So that spark was ignited and we promptly popped Beth in the car and we went down to meet Sally, deputy head I believe at Field Lane, and the 2 of them hit it off with hens, and a decision was made that morning. It all came together really nicely.
It's a great opportunity for our children to have access to chickens and just have an impact on someone else's life, really. The first session they dug over the area for the chickens, and now they're building a pen for the chickens and a run together as a group, so there'll be lots of problem solving as well. Thinking where would the residents want to see them, so really thinking about the effect of what they're doing, the impact on somebody's life.
The children have really enjoyed today. They've got stuck into everything and they've worked as a team, and yeah, it's been fantastic.
I was in the chicken house group, so I was building the chicken house with Usman, Salman and a few other people. When we finished the chicken run, then we'll get chicken inside it, yeah, and then they'll have food and everything, and then they can just have play inside and stuff.
We're going to put our chickens in here and they can actually try out their new home, and they'll know that their home's here, they've got everything they need here, so they won't decide to go. That's where they can sleep, rest, but when they want to have some fresh air, have some fun, they can come outside, they can have a run about.
The residents really like to mix with the children, like they love to dig into their past and tell the stories and stuff like that, so yeah, I think they're going to really enjoy it. It's kind of nice for some of the residents because a lot of them used to do farming, so they know a lot about keeping chickens and growing vegetables and stuff like that, so we just thought it'd be a really nice idea.
Oh, we had everything, well, loads of chicken, and they go cocking them at 6 o'clock in the morning. Well, waking you up, you couldn't sleep. Yeah. Yes, everything was fine.
Some of the old people, they're not able to get out much, they might have mobility issues, and some of the residents, their private rooms actually overlook the hen house, so that's really lovely for them.
So we're going to deliver some hen training. Some of the staff now will come on board and do that hen training. What we've seen from today is some staff who were quite hesitant about hens and what was involved have come out and are really interested, asking how they'll clean them out, asking what time they'll put themselves to bed, when we'll get some eggs. So yeah, we've really seen a turnaround with staff today, and a few of them now will come on to the training. It's about a long-term relationship that's beneficial to the care home residents and to the children. A legacy where some children who might not have an opportunity to spend time with older people do get that time, and the older person can bestow upon them their experience and stories.
We want to put food at the heart of everything we do, food and farming, to build positive relationships between the young and old to boost their overall health and well-being for many, many years to come.